The excitement of finally me living alone is really there when I saw this place and I'm excited to move in. Pero after paying the down payment and signing the contract, hindi pala ganun kadali. Hi friends, this is Casey. I moved out from my parents' house when I was 22 and I'm a full-time content creator based in Quezon City. After paying bills of 24,000 for a 1-month advance and 2-month deposit with the documents of barangay certificate, NBI clearance, and ID, pumunta na ako ng Meralco to transfer the ownership number from the previous tenant to my number kasi kuryente load yung apartment. And wala namang bayad yon. Nagload lang ako ng 300 pesos for it. With my brother, we decided na dumiretso agad sa Novo and DV Mart to buy some of the things na kailangan as starters, like plates, cleaning materials, and other things na magiging helpful sa moving in and out na hindi rin pala madali. When buying things pala friends, make sure na mag-canvas muna kayo kasi there's really a lot of places na murang pwedeng pagbilhan. Okay lang din if hindi pa agad sobrang ganda and kompleto ng place mo, pwede yung what works best lang muna. Approximately, ito yung mga nagastos ko for the things like plates, cleaning supplies, electric fan, initial electricity, and boxes. And wala pa yung food na kinain namin while outside and mga pamasahe. So before moving in, I decided to paint the place muna kasi the walls are all yellow and sobrang laking things talaga na I have the patient, loving partner kasi super nakakapagod talaga tong moving out process. We even had our first dinner here, naglagay din ako ng wallpapers and cleaned the place before finally moving in.